Check out this Dodge 2019 Journey Crossroad. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, tires, P225/55 R19 BSWAS steering, STD, quick order package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP light gray accent stitching, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.